Good morning students, how are you? Student, in this video we are going to start question number 9. So first of all read the statement of question number 9, what you have given in this. Here in this question number 9, the statement is the ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7 and 4 years later the sum of their ages will be 56. So we have to find the present ages. So when we are having given the ratio, we will take x with the given ratio. Here given ratio is what? Given ratio. It is what it is? It is 5:7. This is the given ratio. So we will take let present age of first. Who is the first one? Rahul. Let present age of Rahul. So how much it will be? Suppose it is 5x. And same way let present age of Harun. So it is, as second ratio is what? It is 7. So we will take it as 7x. Now we have given that if 4 years later the sum of their ages will be 56. Means their present age of Rahul is 5x now, and after 4 years how much will be his present age? We will add 4 to this. Same way if we have to find the age of Harun after 4 years, then it will also be 7x plus 4, and according to this question the sum of their ages will be what? It will be 56. So we will apply the same. According to question, we will take age of Rahul after 4 years. So what it will be? It will be 5x plus 4. And we will add to the age of Harun after 4 years. So after 4 years, how much will be his age? It will be 7x plus 4. Now, sum of their ages will be what? It will be 56. So we write here 56. Now we have to solve it and find the value of x. So for that, take 5x plus 4, take this number, plus 7x plus 4, and that is equal to 56. Now just add it. 7x plus 5x, it is what? 12x plus 4, it is 8, that is equal to 56. Now transpose 8 to this side, so you will get 12x is equal to 56 minus 8. So 12x will be what? It is 48. So what will be the value of 12x? It will be 48. Now from here we have to find the value of x. So we will transpose 12 to our right hand side. So it will be 48 by 12. Now 12 1 ja 12, 12 4 ja 48. So value of x will be what? It will be 4. Now what we have to do? We have to put this value in Harun's age and Rahul's age. So we will write therefore present age of Rahul. So how much it will be? It is given us 5x. So we will take it as 5 into 4. So that will be 20 years. That is our first answer. Same way we have to find the value of age of Harun. So we write present age of Harun. So what it will be? 7x means 7 into 4. So that will be 28 years. So these will be our two answers. So that question is complete. Now see the next. First of all, you see question number 8 also. I will explain it orally. So we have given in question 8 3 consecutive integers. Consecutive means लगातार, continuous. So they are having 3 consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplying by 2, 3 and 4, they are add up to 74. Find the number. So beta, we have to take these numbers as x, then next number will be x plus 1, then next number will be x plus 2. Now we have to multiply all these three numbers by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, and their sum will be what? It is given us for 76. So from here we have to find the value of x, and in this way when we put the value of x in our assumption, then we get the all three numbers. So this is for the day. Thank you.